Hi, hello, good afternoon. This is Chokkalingam from prakalawealth Private Limited. Today is April 27, 2026. It's the first day of the week, Monday. The markets are up in general. Nifty 50 is around 0.95% up. Nifty small cap 1.87% up, and Nifty mid cap 1.56% up. Nifty IT, which dropped more than 5% on Friday, is up by 2.25%. There are various reasons. The domestic reason being Sun Pharma acquiring a US based company, Organon and Company, for $11.75 billion, which is one of the biggest acquisitions that Indian companies can think of. Last year we had Tata Motors acquisition of Iveco for $4.36 billion. Now this is about two and a half, three times of that deal. This shows that Indian companies are coming up and entering into a key segment such as pharma, that too in a key market like US. So Organon, as you all know, is having operations in around 140 countries. So that's a good news. Subsequently, the geopolitical tension easing, and Iran offering a proposal to open the Strait of Hormuz through Pakistani intermediaries, Pakistan government. So that has also that has also eased some of the tensions, I should say. And due to that, markets across the globe, South Korea, Japan, China, US, Taiwan, all are up. Hence, there is, Indian market is also up. These are the, I would say these are the major reasons, for the markets, going up. However, Brent crude has not come down. It's still hovering around $107, $108 per barrel, about 2.38% up today. So let us hope this Iran US war comes to an end sooner than later, so that the West Asia crisis gets over and things become normal, and Indian markets also might start going up once those things end. As always, Indian markets are Indian markets will do good in the long term. However, in the short term, none of us know where it is heading. It will depend on the happenings around the world. Having said that, all retail investors, SIP investors in mutual funds should continue investing to generate wealth over the long term. Thank you, and see you in another video.